Hey, Dad here. I'm up at the pond at work and I got a Pixel 2 and I'm going to unbox it right here on the table. I hope it's not too windy for the mic, but I'm just going to do a standard unboxing, except we're in the beautiful woods. I'm not going to stay leaned down like this the whole time because that would be uncomfortable. Alright, here we go. Pretty heavy. Interesting. Alright, well there you have it. My first impressions lifting it up are it's thinner and bigger than I thought. And it has the beveled edge. No mic port. It seems wonderful though. It seems like the second generation of a good phone. And I hope I had a mic problem and a camera problem with my first Pixel. And the second one wasn't covered by a warranty. Although I did get it wet, so I'm not quite sure. Although the camera problem is out there on Reddit and stuff. Anyway, I was happy enough with the Google Pixel, especially for video blogging. and the interface with Android seems to be keeping up with things, and the Apple interface seems to be getting a little stodgy. So primarily I went for this for the camera, and I could get a trade-in on my old Google Pixel 2 of $144. So I'm excited to boot this up. Thanks for watching, Achy Dad, and stay connected out there.